Okay, here. Say hi, Dada. CJ, hi.
Say hi, CJ.
Hold this one. Put in your pocket.
CJ said that's a pizza.
Pocket.
Oh, yeah.
That's a pizza.
Yes.
Is that good pizza, CJ? CJ likes that pizza.
CJ wants some.
No pizza. I hate pizza. I only want pepperoni pizza, not cheese. I don't like cheese. What is that? Cheese. Discuss from tea, discuss from tea, 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 tea,
Busy. Busy in the fountain.
Busy on the fountain. Oh, Daddy, there's the water. Busy on the water from the people.
Yeah.
The whole people are just
Waka waka. Dada can get over with waka waka.
waka waka.
Waka waka, eh. It's time for Africa.
Hey, there's our restaurant. We haven't been there in a long time.
I know. When we gonna go there, Dada?
No.
We haven't been to Daddy's birthday in a long time.
I know. We will go tomorrow.
Mommy's taking Daddy to his
Hello,
birthday.
mga kaibigan. Ayan, o, doon ng Payway. Mayroong chipotle doon.
Mom, is Daddy's birthday
Mayroong
That's what Mommy said.
Texas doon.
tomorrow? Is it Daddy's birthday?
Mayroong bonfish dito. Busy din dito, banda. May mga tao sa labas.
Mama, is it Daddy's birthday tomorrow?
Mommy said so.
No.
Told you.
Nope.
Ayan, meron. Wala, busy ngayon.
The golf tournament.
Oh, yeah, because of the golf.
Oh, so God.
Busy because of the golf tournament.
Traffic was.
Mayroon kasing-
They go see CJ. That's why
Meron
we're-
kasing golf tournament, mga kaibigan doon. So,
And another traffic.
Waka waka waka. Waka waka ay ay.
doon yung mga restaurant, cleaners, mailbox restaurant.
Africa. Agoy agoy.
Stop.
Ikigaw.
Pay your bell.
What?
Okay.
Wow, let's go park.
What?
Go find parking here.
Right there.
Right here.
Ah.
Can I park here, CJ? All right, thank you.
All right, let's go. Goy!
Waka waka ay ay.
CJ can get out.
Hold hands, CJ.
Okay, go to Dada.
No.
Bye, Christiana.
Hindi, your shirt. Ayusin natin yung shirt mo.
Daddy, no.
Go follow that. Oh, there's an airplane. Go, get Chris CJ. Go follow Dada CJ. Hawak. Oh, this way. Ay, pagsiglok-sugoy. Ayaw, gun... Okay na. Ay, kay, sakit kay ka manggunit. Ang kamot mabali. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. Uh-oh. CJ found a race car.
Is it glue?
What?
Tape or glue?
It's a tape. You wanna ride, Goy? You're too big? Sure, let's go. Big na daw si Agoy-Agoy, hindi na siya sasakay dyan. Oh my gosh. Big naman ni oh. Dalaging-ging na talaga si Agoy-Agoy, mga kaibigan, oh. Ayaw na niyang sumakay doon, oh. Ayaw nang sumakay ni Agoy-Agoy sa cart noon. Grabe yan siya. Mag-unahan yan. Ngayon, hindi na. Kay laki na siya. Ay, ang sarap ng cookie, oh. Napakalaki. Ayan, manghingi kami dito ng cookie para sa mga bulele. Ah.
What do you want? Chocolate chip for her, please. Alright, go get it from me.
Thank
What do you say? What do you say?
Yeah.
Thank you. What? You don't
What?
want chocolate chip?
I'll have it.
CJ, what do you want, CJ?
You want the sprinkle?
I can eat it.
This?
I can eat it. I can eat that.
I can understand you. I said chocolate chip. Yes. Wait. What do you say? Oh,
Thank
he's
you.
like, I want
Oh.
Greedy boy.
Oh, no.
He owned it. He wanted to
CJ.
make sure he marked his territory. Oh, he's sharp, isn't he?
CJ, you're smart, CJ.
Thank you.
Oh, my goodness. Have a nice weekend. CJ.
No.
CJ got two. Marami.
He's like, I want that.
He's funny. I thought he don't want it.
That's what he said.
Yeah,
But
but
he
he,
goes to the other one, he's happy, and then he goes, okay. She tried getting it.
yeah, she's nice. She always give us.
So Christiana tried taking it from CJ. The second one,
Yeah. Oh,
and then he did like, nope.
nope. That's dates. Yeah. Let's go get water. Yes. Babe, let's go get water for now. Ay, kalamig. Goy, how many times that fell off? Yeah. That's it. Give me that one. Bigyan mo sa akin.
You can get a cup of water, take it.
Okay. Come on, Goy. Kuha tayo ng tubig. Kaya nauhaw na si CJ. La 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 la. Excuse me, you wanna do it? Excuse me, Goy. That's Arya's friend? Did you say hi? Do you want some or no? Do you want these? Get a straw for yourself, please. CJ, tubig ni CJ. Open, CJ. Open mo. Buksan mo ng isang straw si CJ, please. Goy. Open CJ one straw. Be, I use this. Thank you. This way? Ay, andito na sila, Chris. Oh, no! Naunsa man ni si Christiana nga mudagan man. Dagma na tuloy. I got one for him. Christiana, you don't run. Next time, please don't run. There's no running.
There.
Let's get some dishwashing.
I already got it.
Okay, let's go.
I want to go see if there's coffee real quick.
Coffee? Okay. Your leg hurts? Okay, you're gonna get better. La la la. Oh, may mga sombrero dito, mga ibigan ng subukan natin. ano, pang garden naman to. Pang garden. Magkano yan? 14? Asa na sila? Anong hinahanap ni Chris? Ah, kape. Naghanap pala si Chris ng kape. Oh.
Daddy, stop.
You wanna ride?
Yeah.
She Shana wants to ride.
I want to do that.
Oh, it'd be harder with you in there.
It's a real apple.
What's that?
Wow.
What's that?
Spinning it around is not gonna be as easy.
Real apple.
I can't do it out here.
No, this is busy.
Yeah, I had to do it there. Yeah. No cards for you. Plenty of cards for you.
Tubig lang ang kailangan namin, mga kaibigan. Tubig, tubig. Tubig, tubig, tubig. Krishana, stay out in there, please. You don't do that. That's only water. That's not juice or anything.
Back there.
Mama, why do you put what put on that?
Gonna fall.
Fell
CJ, put in here kay mabas mahulog, ha?
fell.
Ano, put right here kay mga malaglag. Come on, Sugoy. La 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 a a ka ka ki ki ka 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 ki. You okay? Yeah, you can play after. Yeah, they're outside. Riley is outside. Come on, CJ. Hold your water. Go, go, go. Huwag kang akong hawakan kay... Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. CJ, CJ. CJ.
Me.
CJ, sit down.
My cup. No.
Sit down.
Ooh.
Thank you.
Goy, goy. Alina, goy. Oh, okay.
No, that's mine. No, that's mine.
Krishana.
Are they both yours? No, I was giving them the other one.
That's CJ. That's mine.
I know, that's what I gave him.
The short one's mine. The big one's CJ.
They're all the same.
Seatbelt. All right,
Daddy.
let's go. You ready to go?
Go. No. Go to Riley.
You want to go to Riley's?
Yeah.
Oh,
Riley.
CJ.
CJ wants to go to the
You
playground.
got 2 cookies. He gets to go. That's your treat. Christiana got 1 cookie, so she gets to choose home.
Yay!
No
Home to play
playground.
Riley.
No playground. You go play with Riley, CJ. We'll bring Christiana to the house since she's back. You get to play.
Krishana, just relax.
RELAX. Relax. Waka waka.
Waka waka.
Look, egg up.
Waka waka. Uh-oh.
Stop, Daddy.
Stop, Daddy. What? What about this?
No.
Stop.
Pewe.
Ah, a truck.
A duck?
A truck.
No. You see a duck on the way? Have to lock the horn. Ow!
Excavator.
Yes.
Oy. Doggy. Doggy.
Dad, stop!
Beep, beep.
Dad! I said stop.
Stop what?
Strawberry, stop walking!
That was CJ.
No, that's you!
Oh no, CJ did it.
Shit! That's you, Mr. Peahead!
What? Nice.
I can't name with you. Mr. Peahead.
Call me names. That's not good.
Okay.
Call me Mr. Daddy.
Okay, Mr. P Daddy.
No.
Okay, that's it. Again, Mr.
If somebody says the bad word again, they don't,
Mr. Daddy?
they don't play with Riley.
Hi, Daddy. Mr. Daddy? Is it Mr. Daddy? Mr. Daddy or Mr.
How about Dad?
No, Mr. Daddy.
Mr. Daddy.
You
OMG.
said that, Mr. Daddy.
OMG.
Dad. Mr. Daddy, you said it.
Hong Kong.
Oh, tapos na kami mga kaibigan.
Say
Ang-
Hong Kong.
No, stop doing that.
Pizza truck.
Pizza truck.
Where? Ah. Domino's.
Oh, look.
Bye mga kaibigan. Bye po.